Otto, what even is money? Why does a piece of paper make people do things for you?
Money is simply a tool that everyone agreed to trust. It is the most powerful shared story humans ever invented.
But Otto, before money existed, how did people get what they needed?
Huh? This fish for your berry?
They bartered, traded directly. But the problem was enormous. What if you had fish, but I wanted wood and the wood guy only wanted berries?
So who decided that this coin is worth something? Who started it?
First kings forced it through taxes. Then gold gave it weight. Now it is pure trust in institutions.
Wait, so if money is just about trust, can that trust just disappear?
Yes, and it has happened many times. Zimbabwe 2000 recently. When trust collapses, savings vanish overnight.
Otto, why do some people have so much money and others have almost none, even when they work just as hard?
Hard work alone is not the formula. Wealth needs the right problem, scale, systems that work while you sleep, and time.
Otto, why does money feel so complicated and scary for most people?
Because nobody teaches it. Schools teach everything except how money works.
So is money actually good or bad? People always say it's the root of all evil. It's the love of money, not money itself.
Money is a tool, like this hammer. The same hammer builds a house or breaks a window. The tool is neutral. The person holding it is everything.
Otto, what is the first thing someone should understand about money before anything else?
Spend less than you earn. That is the entire foundation of wealth.
But Otto, I earn money and it just disappears. Where does it even go?
Your money goes to planned spending, forgotten spending, and invisible spending. Otto, what is the difference between being rich and being wealthy? Let me show you, my friend. Earning 300K but spending 310K, earning 60K, investing 20K for 30 years, that is truly wealthy.
Otto, why do people who win the lottery often end up broke again so fast?
Sudden money without financial skills is like giving a Formula One car to someone who cannot drive.
Help! You need this manual!
Otto, is it true that most millionaires did not inherit their money?
It's true. Most wealthy people got there through consistent habits, living below their means, investing early, staying patient for decades.
It's achievable.
Otto, why does thinking about money make so many people feel anxious and stressed?
Survival fear, shame, and identity, all tangled up in money for most people. But looking is always the first step out.
Otto, what does money actually represent when you think about it deeply?
When you earn money, you convert your time and energy into a transferable token. When you spend it carelessly, you waste the irreplaceable hours that created it.
Otto, can you actually learn to be good with money, or are some people just born good at it?
Financial skill is almost entirely learned. Warren Buffett started at age 11. Every branch on this tree is something you can unlock.
Otto, why do poor people sometimes make financial choices that seem to make things worse?
When your brain is focused on tonight's rent, it physically cannot plan for next year. This is scarcity mindset, not stupidity. Otto, what is the single most important money habit anyone can build? Automatic savings. Most people save what is left after spending. Wealthy people spend what is left after saving. That simple reversal changes everything.
Otto, does it matter how much you earn or how much you keep?
A teacher who saves 20% will retire wealthier than a surgeon who saves nothing.
Otto, what is lifestyle inflation and why is it so dangerous?
This is lifestyle inflation. Keep lifestyle flat for 1 year when income rises. Invest the entire difference. This is lifestyle inflation. Keep lifestyle flat for 1 year when income rises. Invest the entire difference. Always ask, what is this debt producing? If nothing or something already gone, that is dangerous.
Otto, why do people say time in the market beats timing the market?
Missing only the 10 best days over 30 years cuts returns in half. Those best days happen during the scariest crashes.
Otto, what exactly is an emergency fund and why does everyone say I need one?
It's this, to protect you. Emergency fund exists, pay cash, problem over. No fund, credit card, interest, missed payment, debt spiral, years of recovery. Watch, little one.
Otto, is that magic?
Year 1, flat. Year 10, small hills. The secret ingredient is time. Start early. Otto, what if it puts money in your pocket? A liability takes it out. Which pile is bigger in your life right now?
Otto, what is a budget and do I actually need one or can I just be careful?
This path is foggy. Budgeting illuminates the way. 47 coins of guilt-free fun remaining. Wait, I can spend this guilt-free?
Yeah.
Otto, why do rich people use other people's money?
It's leverage, a mutual agreement for efficiency.
Ah, I see now.
The bank gets its interest. You get amplified returns. But risk amplifies equally.
Otto, what is a credit score and why does a 3-digit number control so measure of your responsibility based on your history with money?
Otto, why does everyone say to invest in yourself, and what does that actually mean financially?
A skill that earns you a 10K raise every year has an infinite return on a $500 course. Otto, what is financial freedom and is it really achievable for normal people? Otto, I want to start today. What are the first 3 steps someone should actually take right now?
If I want 1 egg, but only have a sheep, how do I get change?
Exactly. That's why humans started using small, divisible things like seashells or grains, much easier than splitting a sheep.
Is it true people use salt as money? Imagine paying with what we put on popcorn. Whoa!
True. Even the word salary comes from the Latin word for salt. It was valuable because it preserved food.
Why did gold win the money race? Why not iron or copper?
Gold is rare and doesn't rust. It stays the same for 1,000 years. It's the ultimate store of value.
Gold is so heavy, Otto! Carrying bags of it everywhere sounds like a workout I didn't sign up for!
Why goldsmiths?
That's why goldsmiths appeared. You'd leave your gold, get a receipt, and trade the paper instead. The first paper money!
So this paper in my pocket is just a promise? It has no value on its own?
Exactly! Its value comes from trust in the government. Money is a system of collective belief.
Now we don't even see the paper, just numbers on a screen. Is this still money? Let's see if it jingles. This is the latest stage. Money is now digital information. It's a global ledger of who owns what.
I get the story, but why does my heart race when someone asks about my bank balance?
Because we link our self-worth to the numbers. We fear that if the money goes, our value goes. But that's the biggest illusion of all.
So money isn't the goal? It's just a language we use to communicate value? Ah, so money is just a language. Let's talk in coins.
Bravo! Money is the language of exchanged effort. It translates what I do into what you need.
I always feel like money is running out, like there's never enough. Is that true?
That's the scarcity mindset. The world is full of resources. The trick is learning how to attract value, not fearing its end.
Real question. Why did they teach me about volcanoes but never how to talk to a bank?
Because the old system built employees, not investors. It wanted you to follow orders, not manage wealth. We are here to fix that.
Otto, my neighbor collects tons of nuts but eats them all immediately. Is he wealthy?
No, Sammy. That's high income, not wealth. Wealth is the acorns you plant to grow trees, not the ones you eat today.
So being wealthy isn't about the fluffiest fur or the biggest nest in the forest?
The X-ray reveals the truth.
Often those luxuries are just debts. True wealth is the freedom to choose not to work if you don't want to.
I feel like acorns used to be huge. Now they're tiny and hard to find. Why does it feel harder?
That's inflation. Money loses power over time. Money sitting still is actually shrinking. If you store your nuts here, you get extra back.
They give me extra back? Do they just really like me?
They're renting your effort. They lend your nuts to someone building a home and pay you rent for using them.
So borrowing is great? I can have a feast now and just pay it back later, right?
Careful! Debt is a magnet for your future effort. Borrow to eat, and you'll spend your life running to pay for the past.
Is there no such thing as good debt? Is it all just a trap?
Smart debt buys things that make money, like a ladder to reach more nuts than you owe.
I'm small and have nothing to invest yet. What do I do, Otto?
Invest in yourself. Your mind is the machine that produces everything you'll ever need.
I hear people scream and lose everything in the stock market. Why is it so scary?
Fear comes from gambling. Those who want to get rich overnight scream. The patient investor builds slowly and wisely.
Stronger than fairies? You mean my nuts just make more nuts on their own?
It's the magic of math. Your profit makes more profit. Over time, that tiny snowball becomes a mountain of wealth while you sleep. I get it now. Money isn't a monster. It's a story.
and we're the ones writing it. I'm ready to write mine.
This is just the start. Next time, we learn the rules of the game. See you then.